Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So this is just a quick heads up video that OpenAI released some new models and which are also available now in Aimogen in its latest updates. So go ahead guys and check it, as you will find some interesting models. And this is the blog post where they announced these changes. I will link it in this video description. You will find also Aimogen link there, so check the plugin also. So what does the changes bring? So new models will mean that you will have new capability in the plugin. So there will be new embedding models, as the title say, and also some GPT-4 Turbo and soon GPT-3.5 Turbo models. So let me explain this step by step. If you are using embeddings, then you are in luck, as there are new models released by OpenAI. So text embedding 3 small is a much more capable model, and it is also cheaper to use than the previous one, which was text embedding ADA002. So this is a better model and it is even cheaper. And if you are using large text, embedding for large text, then you are also in luck, because they released the text embedding free large model, which is also available in the plugin. So for this, you can go to main settings, embeddings tab, and in the embeddings model selector, you can select embeddings free small, free large, and the older one, the second generation embedding ADA2. I recommend using free small if you are using it for general tasks. If you are using it for large text, then you can use embedding free large. Okay, so let me show you embeddings in action just really quick. I have enabled embeddings for chatbot shortcodes, and let's go to AI embeddings menu here, and we can sync embeddings. It's empty, and let's add a new embedding. John has a black cat. Its name is Janus. It's okay. So just a quick embedding. Let's create it, and if we sync embeddings here, we will see that the embedding is listed. And because we have embeddings enabled for the chatbot, then we can go to the AI chatbot and I'll ask it, does John have a cat? So without any prior knowledge, it should say that yes, I have a black cat named Janus. So exactly like the embedding said here. Okay, so this is the first part of the update from Aimogen. And the second part will be interesting if you are using AI generated content, as there are new models and lower pricing. So there will be GPT 3.5 Turbo models soon. This is already added to the plugin, the GPT 3.5 Turbo 0125, but it is not yet released by OpenAI. They will release it only next week. So I added it to the plugin, but it will start working only on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm not sure when they will release this new model, as they did not state this yet. They only say that next week, so it can come anytime next week. Okay, so keep in mind you can use this model starting from next week only. It will be lower. It will have lower pricing, and it will be also very capable GPT 3.5 Turbo. And they state that 2 weeks after they release this new model, the standard GPT 3.5 Turbo model, this is the standard model, will be switched to the new 0125, because now it is pinned to 0614, because yeah, this was a good model, it worked well, and they will switch it to the new model in 2 weeks from next week. So in 3 weeks from now, this will be the standard if you are using the 3.5 Turbo standard model. Okay, but aside of this, you will see also a GPT-4 0125 preview model, which is very capable. I will show you right now it in the single AI post creator. So let's go to model settings and we will be able to select here GPT-4 0.1.25 preview. And this is the new model I was talking about. So let me test it. Let's write a title about gardening and let's generate title, and green thumbs up, the art of flourishing gardens. So you will see that it will provide very high quality content. So go ahead guys and check this GPT-4 preview 0.1.25 because it's really great. Also they released a new model, GPT-4 Turbo preview. This is also a similar general model which is pinned currently to this other model. So these currently they are the same, these two models. However, as new models new GPT-4 models will be released, the GPT-4 Turbo preview will be pinned to a newer version each time they release new versions. So this is like an alias for the latest working GPT-4 Turbo preview model they have. Okay, so you can use this or this, it will be currently the same. Okay, so this being said, this is basically the latest update from OpenAI for Aimogen. There will be also other minor changes, especially for the dashboard from OpenAI dashboard. But besides of this, basically that's it. So you will have new embeddings model, new GPT-4 Turbo model, and new GPT-3.5 Turbo model, but only this next week. The others are already working. The GPT-3.5 Turbo model only next week will come. Okay, so basically this is the latest update for Aimogen. Go ahead guys and check the latest OpenAI models and you will be able to use them. If you use embeddings, you're in luck because yeah, performance will go up, pricing will go down if you switch to new models. And also what needs to be said, very important here because I almost forgot, if you are switching embedding models, it's important that you delete your old embeddings and re-index them with the new model because they will not work probably very well if you switch only models and you keep the old embeddings in the plugin. So if you switch embedding models and you already have the indexes created, the embeddings created, I recommend that you delete everything and re-index them using the new model that you select. Okay, so basically I think I covered everything in this latest update from OpenAI, and yeah, this will be reflected also for Aimogen API. You will find there also the new models. And yeah, basically this is all for today. Let me know in the comments any ideas, suggestions that you have. Let's go forward with Aimogen, full steam ahead. This is all for today. Like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day. Over and out. Bye bye.